In this tutorial, we saw that having dedicated normalization is an useful inductive bias. Normalization can also help in generalization, and there exist many varieties of normalization in AI. Let's look at some examples of normalization in the brain. In biological systems, normalization is very pervasive. It occurs in species ranging from humans, macaques, rat, mice, and even flies, and across many brain areas, such as the olfactory system, the visual system, the auditory system, and likely many more. Finally, normalization also has a close relationship with attention. In neuroscience, real neurons with normalization are modulated more by attention. And in AI, transformers with attentional mechanisms use normalization as a key operation. Hence, the next tutorial is about attention. With this, I hope you enjoyed learning about this beautiful canonical operation. Thank you.